That's crazy. I was working on a Range Rover, taking off the air suspension pump under the truck, and there's a little dust and dirt and rust and shit under there. And as you can imagine, I didn't have safety glasses on, of course. Who the hell wear safety glasses, right? No safety glasses on. All of the shit dropped in my eyes. And I woke up this morning and I couldn't open my eyes up. So now I'm here at the emergency room and they had to put this contraption on my eyes. It hurts. Flush my eyes out. I had to get a tetanus shot as well. Um, so this is what happens when when men are hard headed. This is the results of that. So whenever you land on your back working on a vehicle, please put shit hurt. Please put safety glasses on. Take the preventative measures and doing everything right, because this ain't what you want. It really sucks. Just letting y'all know that. um, yeah. So like I say, working on the car, some rust, dirt, stuff fell in my eyes. Felt like glasses in my eyes, cut my damn eyelids. Couldn't blink. Couldn't do none of that. So now I'm here at the hospital and they flushing my eyes out with this machine. I don't know what the hell going on. I can't see none, of course. Got to go through this for like 30 minutes or so. And that's that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys think about this, and be safe when you're working on cars. Don't let this be you. That's all I can say. All right, y'all have a good one. See y'all back in the middle of another video.